This video is sponsored by RayLandCapital.com. Looking for simple process, easy to get small business loans? Visit RayLandCapital.com funding to apply today. They are small business friendly loans partners. Now let's get back to the video.
Welcome back, folks, to another exciting video where we're diving deep into the realm of financial freedom. If you're a beginner eager to take control of your financial destiny, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 invaluable tips that will set you on the path to financial independence. But remember, achieving financial freedom takes time, dedication, and a solid plan. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Set clear financial goals. First and foremost, it's essential to establish clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what does financial freedom mean to you? Is it the freedom to retire early, travel the world, or simply having the peace of mind that you can handle any financial curveball life throws your way? Once you've defined your goals, break them down into short-term and long-term objectives. This will help you create a roadmap for your financial journey. Having well-defined goals provides you with motivation and direction, making it easier to make informed financial decisions and stay on course. Now on to step 2. Tip 2. Create a budget. Creating and sticking to a budget is the cornerstone of financial freedom. Start by tracking your monthly income and expenses meticulously. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary spending, such as dining out less frequently or canceling unused subscriptions, and redirect those funds towards savings or investments. Remember, every dollar saved today can work for you tomorrow. A budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about allocating your resources effectively to achieve your financial goals. Moving on to our next tip. Tip 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can derail your financial progress. That's where an emergency fund comes in handy. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. This financial cushion will provide peace of mind and prevent you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Having an emergency fund is like having financial insurance, ensuring that you're prepared for life's surprises without compromising your long-term financial stability. Now, let's delve into tip number 4. TIP 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can be a significant roadblock to financial freedom. Make a plan to pay down these debts as quickly as possible. Consider strategies like the debt snowball, where you pay off your smallest debts first, or the debt avalanche, where you tackle the highest interest debts initially. The sooner you free yourself from high-interest debt, the more money you can redirect towards your financial goals. Debt elimination not only improves your financial health, but also frees up resources for more productive uses. On to our 5th tip. Tip 5. Invest wisely. Investing is a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. Start by educating yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Consider consulting a financial advisor to create an investment strategy aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, long-term investing can provide substantial returns over time. Investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about growing your wealth steadily and consistently over the years. Now, let's move on to tip number 6. Tip 6. Diversify your investments. Diversification is key to managing risk in your investment portfolio. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even international markets, to ensure that you are not overly exposed to the ups and downs of a single market. This strategy can help you weather economic fluctuations and protect your hard-earned money. Diversification reduces the impact of market volatility on your overall portfolio and enhances your chances of achieving long-term financial success. And now, on to tip number 7. Tip 7. Continuously educate yourself. The financial world is constantly evolving. To thrive, you must stay informed about new opportunities and potential risks. Consider reading books, attending seminars, or enrolling in courses related to personal finance and investing. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Continuous learning not only empowers you to navigate the ever-changing financial landscape, but also allows you to adapt and refine your financial strategies over time. Now, let's explore tip number 8. Tip 8. Maximize tax benefits. Understanding the intricacies of the tax code is a powerful tool in your quest for financial freedom. By leveraging tax-advantaged accounts such as IRAs and 401ks, you can enjoy significant tax benefits while securing your financial future in the form of retirement savings. These accounts often provide tax deductions upfront or tax-free growth, allowing your investments to compound more effectively. In addition to retirement accounts, it's essential to explore various tax credits and deductions that may apply to your unique financial situation. These can range from education-related credits to deductions for homeowners and even credits for environmentally friendly choices. Strategic tax planning can legally reduce your tax liability, leaving you with more funds to invest and work towards your financial goals. Tip 9. Be patient and stay disciplined. Financial freedom is a journey that demands patience and discipline. There will be moments of financial highs and lows along the way, but maintaining a steadfast commitment to your financial plan is crucial. Avoid the temptation of impulsive financial decisions and instead stick to your long-term goals. Remember that in the world of finance, slow and steady often wins the race. Patience and discipline serve as your allies on this path to financial freedom, helping you stay laser-focused on your objectives and steering clear of common pitfalls. Tip 10. Review and adjust regularly. Financial freedom is not a one-time achievement but an ongoing process. It's vital to periodically review your financial goals and progress. Life circumstances change, as do economic conditions and investment landscapes. As a result, your financial plan should adapt accordingly. Regularly assessing your financial situation ensures that you remain on course and can make informed adjustments to your goals, investments, and budget as needed. These adjustments will help you stay flexible and resilient in the face of change, ensuring that your financial plan remains relevant and effective over time. And there you have it, folks. 10 essential tips to help beginners like you kickstart your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how wisely you manage and invest your money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay financially savvy.